Yeah, I get a lot of people asking me, they've got a principal place of residence, their own house, it's on a block that can be subdivided. If they subdivide that block and sell that block of land, do they pay GST on it? Are they liable for tax on it? What are the things that people need to look out for if they subdivide their principal place of residence?
Well, Neil, it's a great question, and look, there are a lot of Australian moms and dads, who would like to develop their main residence, unlock the capital in there, and perhaps use that money either for lifestyle or reinvest in property or in HMO and other things. Now, one of the things that I often find is people think that their personal residence is tax-free. So this type of development they're doing, there will also be tax-free. But that's not true. What is tax-free is your main residence. But when you develop that main residence and create either another house or a better legs, and then you sell it, so now that is not tax-free, because then that's not your main residence. Or if you create another block out of it and sell it, now that's not tax-free. And so you've got to be very careful about that and take that into account, and there are things we can talk about, how we can reduce it or minimize it or totally perhaps eliminate that tax in certain situations and by using certain strategies. So yeah, and what's really worst is people might even get liable for GST on that. So just imagine that you have a private, your personal residence, you've subdivided it, you've created a new house out of there and you've sold it, and suddenly the ATO says, or we have had this situation that these days the settlement agent says that we will withhold 10% GST and send it to ATO. And then you can keep fighting with ATO that this should not have been there.
Did the ATO make the settlement agents liable for this now?
Yes, basically they make the buyer liable.
Yep.
So the settlement agent ask this question and they deduct it, especially if it's a new house.